Fifth grade, chapter 2, lesson 9, problem solving division. Unlock the problem. Sean and his family chartered a fishing boat for the day. Sean caught a blue marlin and an amberjack. The weight of the blue marlin was 12 times as great as the weight of the amberjack. The combined weight of both fish was 273 pounds. How much did each fish weigh? So what do I need to find? I need to find
how much did each fish weigh?
So the weight of each fish, right? What information do I need to use? So I need to know that Sean caught a total of blank pounds of fish. So how many total pounds of fish?
273.
Okay, 273 pounds of fish. And the weight of the blue marlin was?
12 pounds.
12 times as great as the weight of the amberjack. So marlin, 12 times as great. Amberjack. And then combined weight is 273 pounds. How much did each fish weigh? How will I use the information? I can use the strategy. What did they do down here in this picture? They drew a diagram, right? And then divide. I can draw and use a bar model to write the division problem that helps me find the weight of each fish. Okay? Solve the problem. I will draw one box to show the weight of the amberjack. Then I will draw a bar of 12 boxes of the same size to show the weight of the blue marlin. I can divide the total weight of the two fish by the total number of boxes. Have you guys kind of seen a problem like this before on your spiral of homework? Yes. Okay. So basically, they drew the one box and then they drew 12 down here. So they're saying all of those boxes combined equal 273. So over here, they took 273 divided by 13 because there's 13 total boxes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they said 27 goes into 13, or 13 goes into 27 twice. And 2 times 13 was 26, so 27 minus 26 is 1. You're going to bring down your 3. 13 goes into 13 once. 1 times 13 is 13. 13 minus 13 is
0.
So 21, right? So we write 21 in each of these boxes. Now, if we wanted to find the weight of the blue marlin, we would take 21 times what? 12, because there's 12 boxes for it, right? But, write the quotient of each box, multiply it by 12 to find the weight of the blue marlin. So, first of all, the amberjack weighed 21 pounds, and the blue marlin weighed, so we would take, what did we say? 21 times 12. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Mark off the 2. Put a 1 times 1 is 1 times 2 is 2. And then add. 2 plus 0 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Bring down your 2. So the blue marlin weighed 252 pounds. 252 pounds. Try another problem. Jason, Murray, and Dana went fishing. Dana caught a red snapper. Jason caught a tuna with a weight 3 times as great as the weight of the red snapper. Murray caught a sailfish with a weight 12 times as great as the weight of the red snapper. If the combined weight of the 3 fish was 208 pounds, how much did the tuna weigh? Okay, so what do we need to underline or circle? So we went ahead and underlined or circle all of our information. Then read the problem. What do I need to find? We said the weight of the tuna. What information do I need to use? The tuna is 3 times as much as the red snapper, and the sailfish is 12 times as much as the red snapper. Then how will I use the information? We will draw a diagram. So we went ahead and put T for tuna, RS for red snapper, and S for for sailfish. It said the tuna was 3 times as great, so we put 3 boxes. The red snapper, it never said as many times as great, so we only put 1 box. The sailfish said it was 12 times as great, so we put 12 boxes. And then our total of all 3 of those fish was 208. So over to the side, we worked out 208 divided by 16, because that was the total number of boxes we had. And we came up with 13. So then we put 13 in each box. So the tuna weighed, was it 13 pounds? No. Because how many boxes are there for the tuna?
3.
There's 3. So we'd have to take 13 times 3, right? So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is
3.
So the tuna actually weighed 39 pounds. Then how can you check your answer to see if it's correct? We could add the weight of all the fish together and see if we get 208. Paula caught a tarpon with a weight that was 10 times as great as the weight of a permit fish she caught. The total weight of the 2 fish was 132 pounds. How much did each fish weigh? So what do we need to circle?
10 times.
The tarpon had a weight 10 times as great as the weight of the permit fish, right?
Yes.
Total weight was 132 pounds, right?
Yes.
Okay, then it says first draw 1 box to represent the weight of the permit fish. So P, right?
Yes.
With 1 box. Then we want to draw 10 boxes to draw the weight of the tarpon. So T, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And then total weight was what? 132 pounds. Okay? So then we need to find the weight of each fish. So we're going to take what, guys? So we took our 132 divided by 11 and got 12. We put 12 in each box. The permit fish weighed 12 pounds. The tarpon weighed 120 because we took 12 times 10. What if the weight of the tarpon was 11 times the weight of the permit fish and the total weight of the 2 fish was 132 pounds? How much would each fish weigh? So, tarpon 11 times permit fish. Total weight is 132 pounds. How much would each fish weigh? Right? Okay, so we did our drawing over here, and then we took 132 divided by 12 because we had a total of 12 boxes. The permit fish we said would have 11, and the tarpon fish would be, we have 11 times 11, so what would that be?
132. 132.
What do you guys think?
That's 11 times 12.
What's 11 times 11?
121.
Not 102.
130. 120.
121. John caught 4 fish that weighed a total of 252 pounds. So total 252 pounds. The kingfish weighed twice as much as the amberjack. So kingfish twice as much as the amberjack, and the white marlin. The white marlin weighed twice as much as the kingfish. The weight of the tarpon was 5 times the weight of the amberjack. How much did each fish weigh? So we set up our diagram and drew our boxes. We said that we had a total of 252 pounds and there were a total of 12 boxes. So we took 252 divided by 12 and 21 went in each box. For the kingfish, we took 21 times 2 and got 42. For the amberjack, we just put down 21. For the marlin, we took 21 times 4 and got 84. And for the tarpon, we took 21 times 5 and got 105. Kevin is starting a saltwater aquarium with 36 fish. He wants to start with 11 times as many damselfish as clownfish. How many of each fish will Kevin buy? How much will he pay for the fish? So he starts with 36 fish, right? 11 times as many damselfish as clownfish. How many of each fish will Kevin buy? How much will he pay for each fish? So we set up our chart over here. We said the clownfish would have 3, the damselfish would have 33. So we took, and then we found that by doing 36 divided by 12, because that's how many boxes there were. We put 3 in each box. And then we took $20 times 3, because that's how many clownfish there were. So that was $60. And we took $7, because that's how much a damselfish cost, times 33, and we got $231. We added those together and got $291. Kevin used the store coupon to buy a 40-gallon tank, an aquarium light, and a filtration system. He paid a total of $240. How much money did Kevin save by using the coupon? So he bought what?
A 40-gallon tank.
So 40-gallon tank, aquarium light, and filtration system, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Paid $240, right?
Yeah.
How much money did Kevin save by using the coupon? Alright, so we went ahead and we'd already circled our information, and then we went over here and found that the filtration system was $65 originally, the aquarium light was $30 originally, and the tank was $170 originally. So if he wouldn't have had a coupon, he would have had to spend $265, but he only spent $240, so we subtracted that out, and he saved $25 with his coupon. Number 8. Captain James offers a deep-sea fishing tour. He charges $2,940 for a 14-hour trip. How much does each hour of the tour cost? So how much does he charge?
$2,940
For a 14-hour trip. How much does each hour of the tour cost? Okay, so we took 2,940 divided by 14, and we came up with an answer of 210.